Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house now available for immediate purchase. It sits on half acre of land. It is located in the cool hills of Manchester, Jamaica. Its precise location is in the rural, quiet community of Old England, Manchester. Old England is only a quick 15 minutes drive from Mandeville, where you will be able to find all the modern amenities such as supermarkets, restaurants, shopping centers, entertainment hotspots, and all the civic amenities. Some features of this house includes double carport with additional parking space, living rooms, dining area, kitchen, staircase, spacious rooms, etc. Please do not delay. Contact your realtor to schedule a viewing and make your offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.